Hey guys, check this out. I got this pretty amazing cup holder for your car. Let's check this out. In this video, we're going to take a look at this pretty cool cup holder for your car. It sits in the middle of your car's cup holder and it holds a lot more cups and more. You can find this in Amazon for under $30. First, let's do unboxing. Okay, few things to be aware of. These four rubber things keeps the thinner drink cup secure, but if you like, you could take them off for a larger size drink. You can adjust the angle of the cup holder if you want to fit the cup holder in a tight area. First, lift the coaster on the bottom and unscrew the screw. As you can see, on the bottom plate, there are 3 screw holes you can use to mount the cup holder. Readjust the cup holder and put the screw back in. Finally, snap the tray into the cup holder. The tray can be rotated 360 degrees. First, we are going to do a test on cup holder on Scion. On Scion, there are 2 cup holders in the front section, and there's one in the back section. In order to fit the cup holder in the front section, I need to take off the phone charger plug. Also, I moved the cup holder mount to fit the edge. As you can see, the cup holder fits nicely in the front section. The tray does stick out a little bit to the passenger side, but you can always move the tray around. The cup holder also fits nicely in the back section. Next, we're going to test the cup holder on Forward F150. Forward F150 has a cup holder in the front, but looks like it's not going to fit there. But it does have 2 cup holders in the middle. It won't fit in the smaller cup holder, but it fits nicely in the larger cup holder. Next, we're going to test it on Forward Flex. Flex has 2 cup holders in the middle aisle. It fits nicely on both cup holders.